Well guys, mid-January, I'm out here trying to find a couple of rabbits. I'd like to do a catch and cook today as well. So that's in the books if we do have a successful hunt. But bringing out the 17 HMR, I'm going to be driving a few roads and then finding spots to go walk. Well, that wasn't necessarily a difficult shot. The only thing I had going against me was a lot of twigs in the way. So I feel like whenever I shot, I could see the bullet ricochet off a twig. So it was a clean miss on that rabbit, but just started walking the trail here. Yeah, I'm hopeful that we'll run into another one. It happens. That's hunting. So I walked a little bit further up the trail after missing that rabbit, and there's a lot of rabbits back there. So just to alleviate my doubts a little bit, I'm gonna go set up this Tim's cup in the bush and try to hit that maple leaf. Just want to make sure that we're dialed in here so that we try our best not to miss again. I mean, obviously it happens, but you know, it could have been our only rabbit for the day, so I want to make sure we're dialed in here. So I'll set it up in the bush to simulate a rabbit and we'll take a few shots. Okay, so we took 4 shots, got 4 hits. It's pretty good for about 25 yards or so. So I guess we have nobody else to blame but myself. But I'm still gonna go with the twigs. It was the twig's fault. So yeah, I've got more confidence in this bush here. It's gonna get pretty thick in there. But as we know, that's what rabbits like. They like the thick stuff, so gotta go in there and find them. We have ourselves a rabbit, and it's like right here. Well, our little cut through the bush paid off. I was walking and that rabbit was probably, I mean, it looks a little bit further in the camera, but couldn't have been 10 yards away. Yeah, walked right up on it. All I could see was his feet, his yellow feet. That's how close I was. So yeah, I tried to sneakily put the camera on and yeah, we got a shot off on him. So let's go grab him. There it is. It's a big mature snowshoe hare right there. Definitely hit him pretty hard in the head, as 17 HMRs do. But yeah, you don't get any meat wastage that way, so yeah. That's rabbit number 1. So now let's keep circling wide of the road here, see if we run into another. Just got done filming the retrieval of this rabbit, and I lost one of my gloves, so I just backtracked here to where I shot, and there's another rabbit like right basically where I took the shot. So we'll see if he's still there. I had to come back and get my tripod. He's like right out in the open, so. So rabbit number 2, got a good quick clean headshot on it. I zoomed in the camera pretty close there just because there were so many twigs in the way. That was literally the only way that my camera could focus, so I figured you guys want to see it there. Yeah, beautiful rabbit. So I think I'm just gonna go for a little bit more of a walk. I got 2 now, so that's definitely enough for me to eat this week. But if we find another one, bonus, I'll definitely take it. I love eating rabbits throughout the winter, so yeah. I lost my gloves, so I got to backtrack and try to find that first. And then, yeah, we'll try to go get a fire going, cook one of these guys up. It's funny when you're hunting rabbits, you truly have no idea how close they can be. Because when I just walked in here, I kind of followed that line right there, that's my footprints. And yeah, that rabbit was right there, so that's all of about 10 yards again. So you could be walking around all day thinking that you're just not in the right area and you're not seeing them, but really they could just be under the next clump just feet away from you. So just keep at it, take different angles through these structures, and then you'll get a different view. Maybe you'll see a rabbit. I just pulled off the road here and got a little fire started. I'm trying to do it quick because I'm kind of fighting daylight here, but yeah, that went up pretty fast. So all I got to do now is keep feeding this, and then I'm going to prep our rabbit. Haven't cleaned him up yet, so I'm going to do that in a second, and then I'll show you how I'm going to cook him on here today. I'm going to try something different. Last time I just put him straight on the grill, but yeah, I guess you guys will see in a second. So there's a look at what we get off of one rabbit. So I got both front legs, both back legs, back straps, and a heart in there. So I'm going to be doing it in tin foil. I just got a bunch of spices here. I'm just going to kind of throw it all together, throw some chunks of butter in there, wrap it up, and then just throw it straight on the fire. Alright, so I have some roasted red pepper and garlic. So I'm going to put a liberal amount of that in there. I'm not too worried if I'm cooking in tin foil, then it's okay to just kind of throw everything together. It'll all get evenly coated later on. I'm going to toss some butter in there now. I just chunked up some butter. We're not too worried about staying healthy today because we walked pretty hard in the bush today, so a little bit of butter's not going to kill us. Not today anyway. Okay, I got some barbecue sauce. I'm not going to throw a ton in there, but I will put a little bit. It's probably okay. And also got some Heartbeat hot sauce. Some good local hot sauce right there. So there you go. I'm just going to wrap that all up with a couple more pieces of tin foil and get it on the fire. So I'm definitely hungry. It's been a long day, lots of walking. So I put our rabbit inside of the coals just to kind of create a bit of an oven effect. I could hear the butter crackling. So it's definitely cooking. Well guys, it's been about a half hour here and took my rabbit off. So it looks pretty good. A couple parts are a little bit crispy, but overall it doesn't look too bad. I forgot to bring plates and everything, so I'm just eating it off of tin foil. But yeah, I'm gonna start with one of the back straps. After it broke apart super fast, it was tender. It's pretty good. It just tastes like snowshoe hare and the spices that I put it in. That's just a part of the leg. Well, it's pretty quick and easy to do. There's definitely nothing wrong with that. So rabbit was just hopping around not even an hour ago. And yeah, just cooking it straight up on the fire. It's not restaurant quality, but it's perfect for what it is. So I'm just gonna finish this up, and then we'll clean up here and head home.